Okay, so let's check these first three examples to see if you understand how to classify numbers. You should have just drawn arrows, but I'm going to list the words underneath each number so I can do three examples on one slide. So the number 2, first and foremost, that is a natural number. Oops. 2 is a natural number because natural numbers start with 1 and they go in the positive direction. It's also a whole number. It's also an integer. It's also a rational number. And all of these are going to be examples of real numbers. So 2 belongs to everything except for irrational. Next, we have a repeating decimal. So it's 0.3, but this bar up top means the 3 just keeps repeating. So it's a decimal. So that means, and it repeats. So that means it's going to be a rational decimal. The rest of them, whole numbers, natural numbers, and integers, don't include decimals. So it's just rational and real. Remember, they're all real numbers. Next, I have a fraction. Since it can be written as a fraction, it is rational. Whole numbers, integers, natural numbers don't include fractions, so it's just rational and real. You're going to do 4 more examples to see if you can classify numbers. Make sure you use your notes until you have these memorized.